Ralph Mann, Man's Outdoors. We are now in Paducah, Kentucky. First time staying here. It is Duck Creek RV Resort, or RV, I'll check that. I'll put it in the text. Duck Creek RV Resort, I believe. But pulled in. Folks are real nice in the office. They've got some items in the office that you might need, knickknacks and stuff like that, but people were real helpful. We pulled in at about 4 o'clock, and we do have a pull through, and so I'm going to show you our site real quick. This is our site. It is a gravel pull through, and it's pretty simple to get in. You stop at the office, which is the building right there, and all I did was pulled straight down this road. I made a big loop right here, which is what she told me to do, and pulled right in here to 58. Tomorrow when I pull out, it's just straight out. So let's take a look and see what we've got. It is a gravel lot. It's fairly level. It's a little higher or a little lower at the back than it is at the front, but that's okay. You've got 50-30 electric. You do have heated water, so if you've got a heated hose, you can plug that into your power and run your water. I'm not going to do that. I may top off my tank a little bit, and we're only here overnight. You do have sewer right here, and we'll just take a quick walk around. Around the back side, this site is, I think, about 60 foot. I mean, I'm kind of barely in on both ends, but that's okay. And again, there's not a lot of people here. It's winter. This is January. Gravel, as I said. You've got a picnic table. We've got all we need for the night. Ralph Mann, Man's Outdoors. If you ever come to Paducah, there's a lot of really cool things to see. The Ohio River. They have a river walk downtown, and an old downtown, pretty place. You need to go down and check that out. This is actually where the Ohio River and another river, I'll have to look it up and put it in the comments below, or I'll put it on the screen. The two big rivers converge right here at Paducah. You can see it. This is also a part of what is known by a lot of people as Land Between the Lakes area, and you need to come check that out. But if in Paducah, go downtown, check out the river walk. They've got beautiful painted walls, flood walls and stuff that are all hand painted. Really neat place. But this is a good place to stay. This campsite is approximately, I think it was 7/10 of a mile, may have been a mile off of the interstate. Standing outside, I can hear a little bit of highway traffic, but not much. I don't hear anything in the camper. So I would go ahead and recommend this if you're in the area, or if you're like us today, just passing through. Ralph Mann, as I said, Man's Outdoors. Susan and I enjoyed our stay at Duck Creek RV Park in Paducah, and I was just going to let you know a little bit more about the park. I kind of showed you the site just a minute ago, but I want to let you know what else that they had. They do have showers. They've got laundry. They've got a dog park. They've got quite a bit of things. I'm going to let you take a look at the map and show you that. But they did have about 100 or so sites, but they have now converted, they told me, a lot of the double back-end sites into pull-throughs, which is exactly what we had. So let me just show you the map, and I'll make it brief because nobody likes to look at graphs and diagrams. Basically, it's a total of 99 sites is what it originally was. They have a couple of cabins for rent that you can check out. They do have a swimming pool. They've got showers, restrooms, laundry. They do have gas on site that you can get. There is a dog park. There is storage. There's a gazebo out here on the pond. They do have, these are all showing as back-end sites. These currently are. Most of these have been converted to pull-through, so I'm not sure the total number of sites right now. Also up front, you've got some pull-throughs. This is right off of the interstate. Well, it's a mile off the interstate, so you don't hear the interstate noise. We stayed right here. They had us to come in and pull through and circle around this way. I showed that earlier when I was talking about the site, but very easy, and then right back out. Got a bathroom code to access it. You've got Wi-Fi. Not great, but I was on it a little bit, and so I will say that it worked. But Duck Creek RV Park, great overnight stay, and as I said, I believe a little bit earlier, you know, if you're in Paducah, there's a lot to do in Paducah. The river walk, the painted walls, where the rivers converge, all of those things. Nice little fun town. We just did this one on an overnighter. We've been here before, but we will definitely stay at Duck Creek RV Resort again. Till next time, hope you found this helpful. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe, you know the drill. Till next time, God bless and happy travels. Or maybe it's time to get the garden started. Susan's already working on the garden plans.